Hello everyone, Mark Callender with the Callender Home Team and RE/MAX Results, and thank you for watching today. Today's topic is 3 reasons your home may not be selling. Question, are you struggling to sell your home? And one of the things that made me bring up this subject today is because I got a call from someone. It was random, and they had actually taken their home off the market, and a friend of theirs recommended that they give me a call to talk with them. And so I thought this would be a great subject to talk about because their home had been sitting over 3 months, and I talked them through why some of these things may be taking place and why they had to take it off the market. How many showings did they get? They never got an offer. And so brings this subject up today. So I want to run through this. And this is really good for everybody who's thinking about selling their home. So the question is, are you struggling to sell your home? If you're a homeowner who's having difficulty selling and you don't know why, trust me, you're not alone in this market when your home isn't selling, because everybody says, well, it's a seller's market. It should be sold by now. Well, it should be, but there are some things that can be fixed. Here's the top 3 reasons why your home may not be selling. Let's go over that. Pricing problems is number 1. Usually that's always number 1. A lot of homeowners think that they can price it high and then negotiate the price down later to get their price. Well, we have to look at some things that are happening in the market. If you price your home too high, buyers are going to reject it right away. Buyers are becoming much smarter in today's world of technology. All of the information is out there. They can look at the comparables that have sold in the same neighborhood, similar to the one that is not selling. And so usually it's price. Product problems is what I like to call them. Okay, so the product is your home. Are there issues with your property like roofing, siding, curb appeal, landscaping? Your utilities are old, like your furnace, air conditioning, some of those things. That's something we have to answer. And then number 3 is marketing problems. We have to make sure that whoever you choose as an agent has the experience to market your home properly. I am still seeing in today's world of technology pictures of properties that are being taken with an iPhone 8 or even an iPhone 13 or 14, and the pictures just are not coming out the way they should. Rooms are dark, can't get a full view of the room itself. Usually there's staging issues, things like that. And so even if you have professional pictures done, is everybody seeing your home the way they should see it? Facebook, Instagram, social media. So those are some of the things that we always have to question. And so if you have any issues or have any questions on what's taking place with your property, or if you're thinking of buying or selling, please give me a call. I'd be happy to answer any questions you have. Thanks for watching. My name is Mark Callender with the Callender Home Team.